Hello there viewers, see here is the many of hardness. Here the air flowing is very hardly, is the air flowing, and here see weather is it's very hardly flowing. The air is very hardly flowing. Those are dust. I don't see anything. See, this is the very hard flowing. This is the very hardly flowing. It's so many dust. So many soil are. This scene is not. This you see here is the foggy weather, but it's not foggy, it's dust and soil, and here is so hardly flowing. I don't know how Japan, but it's very hardly flowing. Very hardly flowing. Very hardly flowing. See, here is the white like as a fog, but it's not fog. I can tell you this is the soils are flying, so flying mean the air when and some I think now is rain, and see the bird also not control him because here is the many hardly air flowing. Unfortunately, this is unbelievable. I think nowadays rain will be coming. This is the first step of the rainy season.